24 में आपका स्वागत है। मैं हूं मानवेंद्र राव। भी हमें आए सीपीजे कॉलेज में, यहाँ चल रहा है कैरियर एक्सपो 2025। हमारे साथ आइए जानते हैं, यहाँ पर इंटरव्यू लेने आए हैं कई प्रतिनिधि हैं, कौन सी कंपनी से है और कैसा रहा एक्सपीरियंस, इसके बारे में जानते हैं। सर, आपको बहुत बहुत स्वागत है।
Thank you. I am Shivinder Chopra, advocate from Legalimus Consultants. First of all, I would like to thank Dr. Chaturvedi and Ishmeet Man for inviting us over here for the 5th CPJ Career Expo 2025.
कैसा एक्सपीरियंस रहा, कितने छात्रों को आपने दिया?
We have interviewed around 16 students. Sorry, I have the habit of speaking in English because in court that is the most obvious medium used there.
Yes.
So we have interviewed around 16 students, and 6 of them we have already confirmed.
Okay.
And probably 2-3 more may add in because we are yet to speak with the students again. The best part, two things which we found was very interesting over here. First of all, the students were very confident in answering the queries or questions put to them on the topics which they have already done in law. That is a very important factor because once you become a lawyer, so if you are having that habit of confidence in yourself that whatever you are presenting to the court is accurately correct, and then only you can present your case in a better manner. The other thing which I liked most in most of the students was there was a lot of eagerness to learn and acquire knowledge in the fields which they have not heard of or learned in the college till now. Because apart from numerous subjects here, there are plenty of fields legal, but their eagerness is there. The intention to learn and acquire knowledge at the earliest is there. This is very important. That's going to help them in the future career when they become a lawyer, and they would be doing really well, most of them.
सीपीजे कॉलेज के बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
CPJ College is a fine institution. This is my first visit over here. Though it's a far away from the place where we normally practice, we are mostly in High Court and District Court. We do come to Tizari and Rohini courts also. But yes, the students are there. They are most of them are very intelligent, and the other ones are also intelligent. But I would say that.
क्या कुछ मैसेज देंगे छात्रों को यहाँ पर?
छात्रों को यही देना चाहूँगा, अब मैं हिंदी में जवाब देता हूँ।
जी।
चैट जीपीटी वगैरह जितना कम यूज करें उतना अच्छा है, बिकॉज इफ वी सी ऑल सीनियर एडवोकेट्स whom we see in court in daily appearances or who are the famous lawyer of a country, देखिए अब मैं फिर हिंदी से इंग्लिश में आया, मेरे मुंह से जुबान नहीं निकलती
कोई बात।
तो they don't use chat GPT. They may not be using, they have the chat GPT built in here. So that is more important for the students to learn and acquire knowledge and keep it amongst themselves instead of going into a shortcut methods so that you get free early. It's better to learn and acquire knowledge and keep it in your kitty box, in your chat GPT, your own personal mind.
बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
Thank you so much.
या दोस्तों, तो इनका साफ तौर से कहना था कि आप शॉर्टकट ना अपनाएं, निश्चित तौर पर अपने आप को ड्राफ्टिंग और जितनी भी चीजें हैं उसमें बेहतर रूप से तैयार करें ताकि आप बेहतर लॉयर बन सकें। मेरे साथ मानव, नमस्कार।
देश विदेश की ताज़ा तरीन खबरों से अपडेट रहने के लिए आप हमारे चैनल को जरूर सब्सक्राइब करें और साथ ही बेल आइकन को भी जरूर दबाएं ताकि सभी खबरों से आप और आपके जानने वाले रह सके अपडेट।